I am so excited to be here. I am going to share an unboxing with something that I am super excited about. It is our Glamorous U collection. The little thing has all the gold on it and everything else. Isn't that cute? Okay, so I'm going to wait for just a little bit for some people to join, and I'm going to show you what we're going to be talking about. It's our Glamorous U collection. Yep. So I'm going to, oh, my thing is popping up all kinds of stuff. Ah, okay. I don't know what that's doing. Oops. Nope, did the wrong thing. Okay, so I'm back. I'm doing a quick little unboxing video. I'm going to show you two different things, but they're both part of the Glamorous U Scentsy Collection. And I am so excited to share this with you. I have been excited about getting these products. I am a little behind getting this out because this has been released for a little while now, but you can still get it. It's one of those limited time exclusive Scentsy product bundles. Not only do we have wax that I'm going to show you, but we also have a new Scentsy Buddy. So the Glamorous U collection, I'm just going to kind of turn it. The light is trying to show you how it is all golden and glamorous. And then here's the little logo with the Glamorous U collection. I think it's so cute. Okay, so I'm going to jump right in. And I can't see comments. So if you guys have comments, let me know. I am trying to decide if I'm going to do the buddy first. Her name is Posh. I am so excited. I sent a picture of her when I got her. In the Scentsy picture, I sent it to my mother and she immediately went out and got one. Probably because my mom is obsessed with poodles. So anyway, okay, so I will do the wax first and then we'll come back to the buddy. So first this is a special bundle. You are able to buy each one of these products individually if you want to. They are still available. And then this is the information about the bars, which bars are available in this bundle. So this is the bar bundle. And I am doing this as a live video. If you're watching the playback, I am sharing the amazing, there are 5 of these bars for $25, and it's called the Glamorous U Collection. Glamorous U Wax Collection. And it comes in this little bag. If you've used our Scentsy, if you've ever seen our Scentsy bundles before, these little limited time bundles come in these cute little wrapping and just a cute little theme. So this is the Glamorous U. These are glamorous bars. I should have dressed up all glamorous to do this for you, but I'm not a real glamorous kind of person. So I'm just kind of an average. So you're not getting glamorous. You're getting me reading and telling you about these new bars. So anyway, okay, 5 of them. So each one has its own little picture. Of course, this is going to be my favorite picture because it's got the shoes on it. That's Keep It Sassy. This is, sorry. This is Sweet But Fierce. Then we have With Grace. We have Born to Shine. That's the same gold that's on the other one that you guys saw, the little logo that we've got. And then Dazzle Darling. Okay, and so then I'm going to do a really quick, I'll let you guys know what each one of them is and tell you what the scents are. Again, you don't have to buy the whole bundle, but it's really, you know, if you get all of them, you've got 5 for $25, so you're going to save a little bit. I'll tell you about each bundle. I mean, each one of the scents. So right now, the first one is going to be Born to Shine. That's this one that we looked at right here. Ooh, I like that. Okay, so it's got nectarine, cashmere. It's got some musk in it. I wish I had smell-o-vision to let you guys smell. So this one is Born to Shine. It's nectarine and pear blossom boldly take center stage, while cashmere musk offers a warm, enlivening encore. I'd say it's got a musky scent, and then those other fragrances. So the thing that hits me first is a little bit of that cashmere musk. Oh my gosh. Love, 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 love. And again, if you don't want to buy the whole bundle, you can buy them individually. Okay, so now we're going to do Dazzle Darling. I think some of that citrus hits me first. Okay, so let me tell you about this one. I like this one too. I like this one a lot. I'm trying to get it so the glare doesn't hit it. So there we go. Okay, Dazzle Darling is salted grapefruit, catches some rays beside sparkling coastal water and calming beach sage. I think I smell that. It's not a ton of sage, it's beach sage. So, oh my gosh, this one is really, really nice. I mean, I really like this one. I think I'd put it like in a fresh category. Okay, and I'll put the official links and everything below so that you can buy it, do more research if you didn't get my descriptions or whatever. And then now we're going to keep it sassy. This one's sweet. This one's a little bit sweeter. None of them are too sweet. It's perfect for this time of year. We're into the fall. It's still really hot here in Houston, so you know, we aren't warming all these beautiful fall scents yet, so this is a great collection till then. Playful sparkling lemon brings out the sweet side of cherry blossom and sugarcane. Really like this one. I've said that about all of them, haven't I? Okay, now sweet but fierce. I don't know why I waited so long to get you guys this, but it's really amazing and it smells really good. Okay, so this is sweet, but fierce. I'm not so good with the camera on these. Okay, this is soothing pink jasmine and sweet violet get bold with a burst of crystallized sugar. It is a little sweet, but I mean, I put it in the sweet with like when I used to do like Quiver or Sugar, those bars. I think you might like this if you like those. Okay, now With Grace is the last one. And again, you can buy one or all. You can buy the pack or one. Okay, With Grace is alluring gardenia blossom with sweet pink peony, dancing delicately with a hint of soft musk. These are like tongue twisters to try to say the names on them. I didn't think I was going to like that as much as I do. It's a sweet. Back when we had our categories, I'd put it in the romance category. Now we have like florals and the actual notes. But I think this is like a romance. Bedroom bathroom scent. I'd say this one's another bedroom or bathroom scent because I'd almost put it with spa. So I am just super excited about this collection. I encourage you to go over and get it before it sells out. These 5 bars are just a limited time offer, so once they're gone, they're gone. And it comes in this cute little bag. It's a perfect little gift. If you don't like the descriptions, you can buy them individually. And then once they do sell out, you are able to add them to your Scentsy Club order. You'll always get my bar. And so you can still have these, but you need to do it. You need to add that this month so that when they sell out, you don't miss out if you have a favorite one of these. Okay, now I'm going to share with you one of the buddies. Right now we have 2 buddies in this Glamorous collection. Glamorous You is a whole collection, not just the wax. We have the wax, and then we also have the buddy. So if you're just joining us or you're watching the replay, this is a Facebook Live video, and I am sharing the Glamorous You collection. I just went over the Glamorous You wax bundle, and now I'm going to share one of the buddies. So right now there's 2. There are more buddies coming. You can check out the website below, and I'll show you what else is coming soon, and I can let you know if you want to stay up or if there's any of the buddies that you just have to have. So I should say that I grew up with standard poodles, and my mother grew up with toy poodles, and so she has, or no, not toy, miniature. She's a miniature poodle. Standards are the ones that were like, I mean, they were almost to like my waist. But the miniature poodles, you know, they're lap kind of sized dogs. And so when she saw this, my mom had to get it. So this is Posh the poodle. She's part of our Glamorous Collection. And so these are all glamour buddies, if you will. And so here's little Posh. Oh my gosh. I'm just unboxing her and I am so in love with her. Oh my gosh, how cute. She comes with a little vest with her little fur, and she's all fur. And because these are glamour buddies, they're a little bit more glamorous than some of our other buddies. She does have a little vest on, a little pink vest. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Okay, I'm going to try to show you. Her little paws are silvery. See, they're kind of, let's try it this way. See, can you see the reflection on them? They are so adorable. My poor puppy dog. I have a Labradoodle, and she's laying down by the back, and I think she's tired of me talking about this cute dog. Okay, so Posh, look at her little bitty tail. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Oh, what a cute little gift. And then you're going to have your scent pack back here. With these buddies, you get to pick whatever scent pack you want. So, you know, or if you want to keep stuff back here. A lot of times, you know, I'll let the people pick their own scent packs or whatever. But with these buddies, you can pick your own scent pack and select whichever Posh scent pack you want to make Posh smell. So there are not Posh scent packs per se. We don't have the Glamorous doesn't have scent packs for these buddies, but they but you can pick out whatever scent you want from all of our scent packs. So this is little Posh, and of course they come in these cute little boxes. You guys know how much I love our little boxes. You can pop them out and have a little carrying case or whatever. So let's just read about Posh the poodle. Posh is a poodle, and she's part of our Glamorous collection. Snuggle up with a soft, Scentsy buddy, a lovable friend full of fragrance. Simply insert a scent pack and bring your buddy to life. And so I just think that this one is so cute. And I have to show you all the little logos they've done with the oh, the light is not good in here. So anyway, the branding they did is so cute on this. Paris and Posh the poodle. So I am so excited about these buddies. I hope you guys are too. I just love them. And oh, she's so soft. Oh, she's so soft. I think somebody is really going to love this buddy. Too bad I'm keeping this one for myself. But my mother also had to go get one because she thought it was so cute. Super, super soft buddies. All of her is super soft. It's different. Each buddy's kind of different in our collection, but this little fur is really, really soft. And I showed you guys earlier her feet, but her hands are the same way. Posh's little hands are, they've got that silvery, iridescent. Here, I'm going to try to get it. Oh, there we go. Say hello, Posh. Posh is saying hello. See the iridescent part of this? Oh my gosh. So absolutely adorable. So I encourage you guys to check out Posh. We also have the sloth, and it's another cute little buddy for the Glamorous collection. So I can't wait to see which one your favorite is, and you can message me, private message me, and let me know if you want to get your hands on Posh. We also have a join special this month. So if you're thinking about earning some extra money for Christmas, looking to save cash for Christmas, maybe just trying to earn a little extra so you don't have to go back into the office, whatever it is, we've got a join special this month too. So I can't wait. Can you tell how much I love rubbing on her? I am so excited to share her with you. So let me know if you want me to order you one. You guys have a sensational day. We'll see each other later. Bye.